Hey everyone, in this video, I'll explain to you how you can transfer money from Cash App to your LSSC account easily and step by step. So first, you just have to open your LSSC application. From here, just tap on your profile, then select the recharge option. So after that, a list of cryptocurrencies will then appear, such as Bitcoin, USDT, TRC, Ethereum, and others. So you just have to choose the currency that suits you. So in this example, we'll select Bitcoin and enter the desired amount. So you can enter there for how much you would like. And then after that, you can go to your Cash App and then tap the Bitcoin icon at the top at the bottom and then select the withdraw Bitcoin option. So after that, just enter the amount that you want to transfer, then paste the wallet address that you have copied from LSSC into the destination field. So you also have to choose your preferred transaction speed, such as standard or fast, then tap confirm and enter your PIN or enable biometric authentication to complete the transaction. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.